In Top Topic, we look at one of the biggest stories making the news online here in China over the last 24 hours. 8 people, ranging from school participants to government officials, have been penalized over the deaths last week of 5 street children in a dumpster in southwest China's Guizhou province, local authorities said on Tuesday. The penalties included sackings and suspensions of duty, according to a decision made by the city authorities in Beijing City on Monday night. The 5 children, all boys, were identified as natives of the city's outer Qixingguan district. The boys were from the same extended family and their fathers were 3 brothers, the city officials said in a press release given to Xinhua on Tuesday morning. Family members and teachers had been searching for the children who went missing 3 weeks ago when their bodies were found by a trash collector in a dumpster. Tao Yuanwu, a migrant worker in the southern boom city of Shenzhen, arrived home only on Monday to identify the bodies. Police said the boys died from carbon monoxide poisoning, as remains of burnt charcoal found inside the dumpster indicated they might have burnt charcoal for warmth before they died. Their tragic deaths have spurred an outburst of grief from the public, who blame the children's caregivers and local governments for failing to take care of the young lives. 2 local government officials who were in charge of education and civil affairs respectively in the Qixingguan district were sacked for failing to fulfill their obligations. The sacked officials also included 2 officials in Xinhaijie township, the children's hometown, and 2 local school principals for failing to get the children back into school. 2 deputy officials of Qixingguan district were suspended from duty pending investigations. And that is going to be our poll for today, this sad story. What should we do to prevent this kind of tragedy from happening again? Well, the results are: A, it's no use. This kind of incident will always happen. 43% said that. B, the government should give more support to street children. 34% of respondents said that. C, guardians should take more care of the children. 16% believe that. This is just a rare accident. That's D, 3% said that, and another 3% didn't know. Well, next up on Media Watch, we look at the name in the news.